Have you been trying and failing over and over with every imaginable method of making money online? Or maybe you are making some money, but you're not making enough. If so, I think you are going to love what I have to tell you when I tell you about Partner and Profit. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Just go ahead and skip ahead because my jokes are really, really stale and boring. And yeah, they're boring. I get it, but they're my jokes. I like them, so I'm going to say them anyway. So, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask, well, it's very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? You know, you started this thing and now you're back again? This guy drives me crazy all the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety about crap. Bart, give it a rest. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, but I will give a tip and hats to product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. I mean, I see Liz. She's a sweetheart. I love Liz. You know, she always says the nicest things to me. Yeah, she says the same thing every time. Also, I could probably get angry at her like I do with Bart, but at least she's a sweetheart about it. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Partner and Profit. This is from my friend Michael Cheney. Now, Michael is one of the biggest names in the industry. He literally can make tens of thousands of dollars a month. He's a multimillionaire many times over. And, you know, at first, when he kind of like left the industry for a while, when his father passed away, and he came back about a year ago, I guess it must be. And at first I figured, okay, yeah, he just wants to make money. But, you know, I've been watching Michael quite a little bit, and he's really been doing a lot to try to genuinely help people, which that impresses me a lot. Okay. Yes, he's making more money by doing so, but he's also genuinely trying to help people, which a lot of people in this industry aren't doing that. Basically, he has a Facebook group called Quantum. It's only open to people like me who are actively creating products, because that's basically what the kind of material he's sharing. He doesn't share material for affiliates. He shares material for people who create products, but he really is trying to make it so that other people can benefit from his knowledge, and he's giving it away for free. And basically with Partner and Profit, this is his way of giving to those who don't want to create a product. They just want to be able to make some money, you know, a few bucks on the side, whatever, or even more than a few bucks. This is basically to help the people who want to make extra cash on the side. And that's really what this is all about. The Partner and Profit program is really designed for you if you are trying to be an affiliate and just make some money on the side. Now, basically, the concept is very, very simple. Michael is going to partner with you, give you everything you need, including done for you promos, done for you everything. And all you got to do is follow his instructions to send traffic, and he's going to show you how to do that. It's really, really simple to do. And there is an endless amount of traffic available. So we're not going to discuss traffic so much. What I do want to discuss is the one problem with Partner and Profit. See, the one problem with Partner and Profit is that Partner and Profit, basically, you are one of hundreds of people who are trying to get traffic to the same product that Michael is offering. You don't have anything unique to give people. So what I want to do for you, I want to give you something unique that is truly insane to give away. So let me show this to you real quick. We're going to close that up for a sec over here. Okay. So this is my own product. And we're going to go ahead and log into my website here. Now, this product is not available for sale anymore. All right. This particular product, six-figure coach, not available for sale. All right. Basically, actually, I've logged into the wrong profile. One second. Let me log out real quick so I can show you the sales page. This is a product that I created specifically to be sold via webinars. You can see here that we do not allow anybody to buy it. It says we're sorry, we're closed. Okay, if and when we reopen, it hasn't been reopened yet. All right, what we're going to do like this. I'm going to go and show you the sales page, which is not open to the public. That's why I have to log in as the admin. 1 second, here we go. We're going to pull up the sales page. Then I'm going to show you the members area. Okay, just so you can see what's included in this and what people were paying for this. All right. So let's see. Trying to find it for you. There's a lot of material here, obviously. Okay, so let's find this. I'm not sure if this is the right page or not. Okay, so that's not, here we go. All right. Whoops. In order to do this, we have to edit it, not view it. Otherwise, it's going to go to the main page. So you can see here like this. Special, very limited offer for customers of Eric Hammer. All right. You can see the kind of money that I've been able to make from running my business. Okay. This is real money. This is everything that's included here. $10,000 worth of value. Okay. $297. Actually, I thought it was $497. If I reopen, it's going to be $497. All right. $297 I was charging for this. You're going to be not just getting this for free. Okay. When you pick up Cheney's product for $9.95, you're not just getting this for free. Okay. For this $297 product, you can see here, if you wanted to buy it, you'd have to buy it, but you can't buy it right now. It's not available for sale. But if you were to buy it, it was $297. If I reopen, it'll be $497. Okay, $297 or 7 payments of $47. All right. Let me show you the members area, just so you can see. Okay, so check this out. So you have all of the original coaching webinars that I created for Six Figure Coach. And you have all of these materials included completely for free. All right. Everything you could possibly need in order to be able to build a website. Now, again, I'm not just going to give this to you. Okay. That alone would be insane. But I'm going to do a lot more for you than that. You're going to be able not just to get your own hands on Six Figure Coach, you get to give it away as your bonus. That means that when you join Partner in Profit program, this is the members of Partner in Profit. When you join this program, okay, he's gonna show you how to get your link, how to promote it, get all your ready-made promos. Everything is done for you. All you gotta do is start doing it. But you're gonna be one of many people promoting it. In order for you to stand out from the crowd, you get to give away Six Figure Coach as your own product. You can say, hey, buy this thing from me, and you get to give this away for free. Okay, you get to give away my product, my $500 product. You're going to give it away completely for free as your personal bonus. All right, that alone is insane. Like I said, the price when I first started it was $297. If we reopen it at all, which we may not do, because it is a lot of work for me personally to run this program. But if we reopen it all, it's going to be $500. You're going to be able to give it away for free. The only thing you're not going to get is the personal coaching with me. Basically, the original program included 3 months of personal coaching with me. That you're not going to give away for free because I can't afford to give it away for $9.95. I'm sorry. I wish I could, but you know, I wouldn't have a life then. So, but I'm going to give you something else. Pick up Partner in Profit from me. And in addition to letting you have and give away Six Figure Coach as your own bonus, I'm also going to give you a 15-minute one-on-one coaching session with me. These are super valuable. Okay, I usually charge quite a bit of money for my coaching sessions, and people who have done them have thanked me and said how incredible it was, that the amount of information that I shared with them was just unbelievable. And when I do these things, I usually charge $197. I'm going to give you a coaching session for free, but I'm not done yet. If you pick up any upsell to Partner and Profit, and there's a few of them you can see here. I have access to all of them behind the scenes. Okay, the premium partner pack, all this stuff. Okay, pick up any upsell to Partner and Profit worth at least $50. And I will not just do all this for you. I'm also going to give you a custom-made video sales letter. What does that mean? If you check out any of my products, they all have a high-level video sales letter with like professional video materials, professional voiceover, everything included. I'm going to make one for you, exclusively for you, for whatever you want. If you want it for the Partner and Profit program, so you can sell, you can do that. You want it for something else, you can do something else, whatever you want. You're going to be able to get exclusive access to your very own video sales letter. Pick up the entire funnel. Okay, the whole thing. I will make you a custom-made sales page for your product or for the seven-figure affiliate program that is part of Partner and Profit. Basically, that means that is literally done for you. You don't have to lift a finger. Everything is ready for you. All you gotta do is let me know that you want it done. We're gonna do it for you. We're gonna prepare everything for you and hand it to you on a silver platter to get this installed. Now, obviously, this is very, very limited, especially because my time is limited. But the reason that I'm doing this is because, well, frankly, I believe in Michael because I've seen what he's been doing. I've seen that he's been willing to put in the time and the effort to give so much back to the community. And so I believe that this is going to help you. But beyond that, I also have a personal reason for doing this because I have my own product launch coming up. I want Michael to promote my launch. And in order to get him to do that, he needs to see that you guys are willing to buy from me. And so basically, I'm giving you something truly ridiculous and extraordinary in order to get you to buy this program through me. Okay, that's the bottom line. That's why I'm doing this. All right, so let's see if I am going to formally give a tip match to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. Okay, I really do like this thing a lot. It is incredible. And what Michael has done is truly extraordinary. Grab this one. This one you really, really will regret if you don't get it. And you'll regret if you don't get it from me because you're not going to get all of my bonuses.